Welcome back. And new this morning, gymnast Simone Biles may be trying to prepare for the 2020 Summer Olympics, but the ongoing sex assault scandal is not far from her mind. While heading to the mandatory U.S. women's training camp in Indianapolis, she tweeted, quote, "Still want answers from the USAG and the USOPC. Wish they both wanted an independent investigation as much as the survivors, and I do. Anxiety high." Well, this comes after the announcement of a proposal from USA Gymnastics for settling hundreds of lawsuits over its failure to protect athletes from former team doctor Larry Nassar. The proposal would release U.S. Olympic officials, former coaches Martha and Bella Caroli, and others from liability, and it wouldn't disclose who at USA Gymnastics was aware of and hid Nassar's sexual abuse.